Welcome to the world of business analysis. As a business analyst, you play a critical role in driving business success by identifying problems, finding solutions, and improving processes. In this video, we will explore the principles and techniques that form the foundation of business analysis, and we'll also dive into a captivating case study of a coffee shop owner who is looking to take their business online. Now let's check the problem of a coffee shop owner. So, this coffee shop owner is facing challenges with declining foot traffic due to changing consumer behaviors and increased competition. By applying business analysis principles and techniques, we will analyze the situation and develop strategies to help the coffee shop owner successfully transition their business online and thrive in the digital world. So, grab your favorite cup of coffee and join us on this exciting journey of business analysis as we uncover insights, identify opportunities, and propose innovative solutions to support the coffee shop owner's quest to take their business to new heights in the online realm. Let's explore the principles of business analysis. Principle 1. Understanding business objectives. A key principle of business analysis is to thoroughly understand the strategic objectives of the organization. By aligning your analysis efforts with the overall business goals, you can ensure that your recommendations are in line with the broader vision and mission of the organization. Meet our business analyst Leah. She is helping Jay, the coffee shop owner, to take his business online. She tried to understand the business objectives of Jay and found some crucial objectives such as increasing sales, expanding customer reach, and staying competitive in the market. Principle 2. Focusing on stakeholders. Another crucial principle is to identify and prioritize the needs of various stakeholders. This includes customers, employees, shareholders, and other key players in the business ecosystem. Understanding their requirements and expectations help you make informed decisions and deliver solutions that meet their needs. Leah identified and engaged with various stakeholders, including Jay, the coffee shop owner, customers, employees, and competitors to gather their perspectives on the challenges and opportunities to take the business online. She had addressed few challenges such as resistance from Jay to address the current issues, diverse perspectives of customers on their preferences, and adaptability of employees to use and engage on online systems. Principle 3. Employing a systematic approach. Business analysis requires a structured and systematic approach to ensure that all relevant aspects are considered. This includes defining the scope of analysis, gathering data, analyzing information, and documenting findings. Following a systematic approach ensures that your analysis is comprehensive and well organized. Leah started by defining the scope of her analysis, what's in the scope and what's out of scope for Jay, which included understanding Jay's business objectives, identifying the challenges and opportunities, and proposing solutions to overcome them. This helped Leah in setting clear boundaries for the analysis and ensured that all relevant aspects were considered. Leah then collected data from various sources such as customer feedback, transaction data, market trends, and competitor analysis to gather relevant information for the analysis. This data helped in identifying the current state of the business, customer preferences, and market trends, which informed the proposed solution. Leah analyzed the data and information collected using various techniques such as SWOT analysis, process modeling, and data analysis. This helped in uncovering insights, identifying patterns, and understanding the strengths, weaknesses, and opportunities along with threats of the coffee shop business. Leah documented her findings in a structured and organized manner, which included creating reports, charts, and presentations to communicate the analysis results effectively to Jay and other stakeholders. This documentation helped in summarizing the analysis findings and presenting the proposed solutions clearly. Principle 4. Maintaining impartiality. As a business analyst, it's important to remain impartial and objective in your analysis. This means avoiding personal biases and preconceived notions to ensure that your recommendations are based on factual evidence and not influenced by personal opinions. Leah made sure to avoid personal biases and preconceived notions while conducting her analysis. She approached the case study with an open mind and objectively analyzed the data and information collected without letting her personal opinions or preferences influence her recommendations. Now, let's examine the techniques used in conducting a business analysis. Technique 1: SWOT analysis. SWOT stands for Strength, Weaknesses, Opportunities, and Threats. It is a popular technique used to identify and evaluate the internal strengths and weakness of a business, as well as external opportunities and threats in the market or industry. Leah, the business analyst, has embarked on the journey of taking Jay's coffee shop business online and has engaged with various stakeholders to gather their perspectives. In order to assess the feasibility of this transition, it is crucial to conduct a comprehensive SWOT analysis to identify and evaluate the internal and external factors that may impact Leah's online business venture. Let's delve into the analysis to better understand the challenges and the opportunities Leah may face as she navigates the complexity of taking G's coffee shop business online. Leah has performed SWOT analysis for coffee shop. Let's focus on strength. G's coffee shop business has an established brand reputation, also has a loyal customer base, and it was situated on a very prime location. Leah then identified some weaknesses. So, G's coffee shop business has limited online presence, lack of e-commerce capabilities, and potential operational challenges were found. Let's talk about the opportunities. Leah identified opportunities such as growing demand for online ordering, increasing consumer preferences for convenience, and potentials for new customer segments. Let's talk about threats. Leah also identified threats such as established big brands in the locality, increasing competition, potential regulatory challenges. Leah has used pestle analysis tool to analyze the external factors that can impact the business. So what does pestle stands for? Pestle stands for political, economic, social, technological, environmental, and legal factors. It is a strategic tool used to analyze the external environment and assess the impact of various factors on the business. Political factors. Leah would consider any political factor that could impact her business. For example, changes in government policies or regulations related to food safety, labor laws, or taxes could affect her coffee shop operations. Economic factors. Leah would assess economic factors that could affect the business, such as changes in consumer spending patterns, inflation, interest rates, or economic growth. For example, during an economic downturn, customers may cut back on discretionary spendings, which could impact the coffee shop sale. Social factors. Leah would consider social factors that could impact her business, such as changes in the consumer preferences, lifestyle trends, or cultural norms. For example, increasing demand for online ordering and delivery due to changing consumer preferences for convenience and efficiency could present an opportunity for the coffee shop to go online. Technological factors. Leah would assess technological factors that could impact the business, such as changes in technology infrastructure, digitalization, or innovations in the coffee industry. For example, advancements in online ordering platforms or payment systems could offer opportunities for Leah's coffee shop to streamline its online operations. Environmental factors. Leah would consider environmental factors that could impact her business, such as sustainability concerns, climate change, environmental regulations. For example, increasing consumer awareness and demand for eco-friendly practices in the coffee industry could influence business strategies, such as adopting sustainable packaging or sourcing practices. Legal factors. Leah would assess the legal factors that could impact the business, such as changes in local, national, or international laws and regulations. For example, changes in labor laws or health and safety regulations could impact Leah's coffee shop operations, staffing, and cost. By conducting a thorough pestle analysis, Leah can identify the external factors that may present opportunities or threats to the coffee shop business as she considers taking it online, and make informed decision to mitigate risk and capitalize on opportunities. Let's talk about the technique process modeling. Process modeling involves creating visual representations such as flowcharts or diagrams to understand and analyze business processes. It helps identify bottlenecks, inefficiencies, and opportunities for improvement. Clearly define the process scope and boundaries, including inputs, outputs, and activities involved, to create a focused and accurate process model. Use consistent notation such as BPMN or flowcharts throughout the diagram to ensure clarity and consistency in the representation of the process flow. Keep the diagram simple and easy to understand, using clear and descriptive labels for activities, inputs, and outputs, and validating the process model with relevant stakeholders for accuracy. Let's talk about data analysis. Data analysis involves gathering, interpreting, and analyzing data to derive insights and make informed decisions. This can include techniques such as data visualization, statistical analysis, and data mining to uncover patterns and trends. Leah followed a systematic approach to data analysis, collecting relevant and reliable data for the coffee shop owner's online expansion. She validated the data for accuracy and used various data analysis techniques to identify patterns and trends. Leah interpreted the findings objectively and provided impartial recommendations based on the data, helping the coffee shop owner make informed decisions. So, that's how Leah, our amazing business analyst, helped a coffee shop owner take their business online. By following a structured approach, staying objective, and analyzing data, Leah uncovered insights and made recommendations that guided the coffee shop owner towards the smart decision. It just goes to show how cool and valuable business analysis can be in solving problems and achieving business goals.